So what's up YouTube? I think everyone are doing good. Okay, so this video will be based on version control of the script. So basically, if you need to control the version of the script, you will basically use git or github, something like that. But in command line, you basically use git, not the github. Okay, so for pushing or using the repositories and all, you basically use github. Okay, so let's start with using the github. So github is basically what distribution version control and used to track changes in the code and text files. So it's commonly used by developers to collaborate on the projects and what manage code histories. Okay, the first thing what you need to do is that you need to specify git in it. So this will basically set up a git repository. Okay, so there is no initialize empty git repository in this particular space. Okay, in this particular current directory, on this directory. So this will be the directory where I'm initializing the git. Okay, so next thing is that you need to tracking script changes. Let's say you need to there is changes in the script, then you need to add the script. Okay, so you can specify like this. So this will basically add this script or update this script in the repository of the GitHub. Okay, let's say you need to create a commit you need to create a commit something. So basically, if you know the script, you will be knowing the meaning of a commit. So for that, git commit, and then you need to specify yum, and then you need to specify a name. So this will basically commit the initial version. Okay, this is how you use git commit. After that, if you need to see the git status, you can see by git status. It is basically there is no comments and there is one branch, which is called main branch or master branch. That will be the default branch, and then there is no commit because I did not specify any commit, and the file which has changes, and you can see these files as changes. Okay, so if you need to add something, you specify git add and then file name. So this will basically add the current file to the repository. If you need to see the git log, we can say git log. So your currently branch master does not have any commits. So if you create a command, then you will have the log to check. So basically you can just track the log. Okay, so let's say you need to undo changes in the working directory. You can just specify git and then checkout and then script. So this will basically uncheck in the working directory. Let's say you need to unstage changes. You need to stop the changes, or you need to stop the updating of repository. You can use reset head and then the script file, script.sh script file. This will basically unstage the changes which you are making for the repository. And this will be the basic information about how do you use the git in the bash. So there is many things that you can explore. I'll make one more video called GitHub and how do you actually connect to GitHub. Okay, so I'm thankful for watching this video with patience, and thank you for watching. Bye.